It's good to have an understanding of how your power distribution board works. This board was included in your kit and was custom designed by Quad Monsters. Let's begin our quick tour with the battery pads, the two largest pads. We have positive and negative. We refer to negative as ground. Everything marked negative, I'm going to refer to as ground. Our battery connects right here and provides power to the entire quadcopter. The power from here, often referred to as VBAT, is directed to auxiliary 1 and auxiliary 2. Whatever power comes in from the battery here is equally distributed here and here, unfiltered, and you'll see why that's important later. These two boxes here are power regulators. This one provides 12 volts clean power to our video transmitter and our camera, and that way we'll have the cleanest video that we can see in our goggles. This power regulator provides 5 volt clean power, and that goes to our flight controller. This is critically important. Flight controllers must have 5 volts clean power. Anything other than that will destroy your flight controller. In the corners, you'll notice ESC1, ESC2, ESC3, and ESC4. These pads, positive and ground, go to our electronic speed controllers, which then go to our motors to power our propulsion system. Now that you understand this, it'll make it much easier to wire it up because you know what each of these pads do. Let's move on to our next step.